Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to explain difference between keyword volume and competition score for YouTube video. So by adding correct tag which has high keyword volume and low competition score will improve your YouTube video SEO score, and we are using VidIQ. So this is our tag section. So when we hover on it, now you see overall 58, and then you see VidIQ keyword volume 44.1, and then you see VidIQ competition score 21.2. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So there are total 4 scenarios for this. So first one is high keyword volume but low competition score. Second is high keyword volume but high competition score. So this is 2 scenario. Third one is low keyword volume and also low competition score. And fourth one is low keyword volume and high competition score. So this is our video, YouTube Video SEO Score. So we are in tag section. Now you see we added some tags or keyword. So first explain what is keyword volume in VidIQ. Refer to the number of search for a specific keyword within a month, while the competition score indicate how many videos are competing for that keyword. High keyword volume with low competition is ideal as it increases visibility potential view, whereas high competition can make it difficult to rank even with high volume. So this is our another video. Now you see we added. So this is our video on Wix. Now back to another video, and then you see triple keyword and you see overall 69, and then you see VidIQ keyword volume 56.5, and then you see VidIQ competition score 12.4. So this keyword, triple keyword, are ideal for our first scenario. So our first scenario is high keyword volume and low competition score. Now you see VidIQ keyword volume 56.5, and then you see VidIQ competition score 12.4. So this is our first scenario, high keyword volume and low competition. So it is optimal scenario for content creator. It's maximize the potential for view and engagement as your video is more likely to appear in search result. So if you have keyword with high volume and low competition, then it is good for you. So our second scenario is high keyword volume and high competition score. Now you see YouTube tag, we are using YouTube. Now you see overall score 76.0, but you see VidIQ keyword volume 100, but competition score is also high. Now you see 60. So it's mean YouTube keyword is popular, but high competition can hinder your video ability to rank well. So it's leading to lower visibility and fewer views. So our first scenario is best, in which we have high keyword volume but low competition score. Now you see. So our third scenario is low keyword volume with low competition. Now you see keyword tag, we added keyword in title. Now you see score, and then you see VidIQ keyword volume 44.5 and VidIQ competition score 8.8. So this scenario will provide an opportunity to rank easily. So if competition and volume is low, it's mean there are less viewers to search this keyword in YouTube. So less viewer for this keyword. Now go to another video again. Again we are in tag section. So this is our Wix video. Now you see VidIQ keyword volume 0, and then you see VidIQ competition score 25. So this is our fourth scenario. So this scenario is called low keyword volume and high competition. Now you see. So this scenario is not good as it combines low interest in keyword with high competition, making it unlikely for your video to gain traction. So for ideal scenario is you have high volume keyword but low competition score. So this will improve your video ranking and your video will appear in search result and viewer can find it easily. So you can use that tag or keyword that has high keyword volume but low competition score. So if you have any question, then let me know in comments. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.